Good morning, class. Again, we are here with some more problems based on quadratic equations. Let us take this question now. A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B to finish a work. If both A and B together finish the work in 12 days, find the time taken by B to finish the work. Here, we are required to find the work time taken by B to complete the work. So we say let B finishes the work in X days. So A will finish the work in X minus 10 days. X minus 10 days. As it is said, A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B. B takes X days, then A will take X minus 10 days. This is minus 10 days. Now, one day they both finish the work in 12 days. So, 1 day's work of A plus B. 1 day's work of A plus B, that is equal to 1 upon 12. 1 upon time taken to complete the work. 1 day's work equal to 1 upon time taken to complete the work. So, 1 day work of A will be 1 upon X minus 10 and 1 day work of B will be 1 upon X. So, 1 upon X or plus 1 upon X minus 10, that is equal to 1 upon 12. Now, here we take LCM. X minus 10 equal to 1 upon 12. So, now we will solve this furthermore. See, here X and X cancel. X minus 10 plus X minus 10 cancel, only X left. So, here we are getting 2X minus 10 upon X square minus 10X equal to 1 upon 12. Cross multiply, we will do 12 to the 24, X minus 120 equal to X square minus 10X. Now, we will simplify this to get the equation that will be X square minus 34X and plus 120 equal to 0. Now we will have to factorize this to get the value of X. So, what will be the factors? It will be 34. Factors will be 34 and 30 and 4. So, X square minus 34X minus 4X plus 120 is equal to 0. So, we take common here 30 and 4, not 34. Now, see, X common, X minus 30 and here minus 4 common, again X minus 30 is equal to 0. Now, X minus 30 and X minus 4 is equal to 0. So, X minus 30 equal to 0, X equal to 30 and X minus 4 equal to 0 and X equal to 4. Now, both we are getting here positive. But here condition is given A takes 10 days less than B. It means A completes the work in more than 10 days. So, this X cannot be equal to 4. X cannot be less than 10. X cannot be less than 10. So, we can say here X cannot be less than 10. Therefore, x equal to 30 days. B completes the work in 30 days. Now, see one more question. Rupees 400 is divided equally among x children. Rupees 480 is divided among x children. Among x children equally if the number of children were 20 more. If the number of children were 20 more, then each would have got rupees 12 less. Then each would have got rupees 12 less. Rupees 12 less. Find the number of children. Find original number of children. Original number of children. Number of children. Find original number of children. So let original number of children equal to x. So we say here, let original number of children equal to x. Let original number of children equal to x. Original number of children equal to x. Then share of each child. Share of each child. That is equal to 480 upon x. If number of children equal to x plus 20 more. If number of children is 20 more, then share of each child, that will be 480 upon x plus 20. Saying that this share is 12 less than this. Yani this is 12 more and this is 12 less. So we can say 480 upon x minus 480 upon x plus 20, that is equal to 12. Now we have to solve this to get the value of x. So you see how you get it. Taken here 480 out, common. 480 common. So take here LCM x and x plus 20. So we get x plus 20 minus x, or is equal to 12. Here x and x cancel. This 20 upon how much? X square plus 20x equal to 12 upon 480. 12 4 are 480, that is 40. Now we get cross multiplication. X square plus 20x equal to 800, that is x square plus 20x minus 800, equal to 0. So now you can factorize it. I think so, because you have understood a lot now. So many questions we have done of the same kind. So we will factorize it. You will get x plus 40 and x minus 20 equal to 0. So x plus 40 equal to 0, x equal to minus 40, and x minus 20 equal to 0, x equal to 20. This is negative number of children, that cannot be negative. So this we will not take this as answer. Your correct answer is x equal to 20. That will be answer. Number of children 20.